All right, everybody. This is for when you plug your iPhone into your PC and you want to be able to import the pictures using the photo app down there. And of course, I'm using OBS to do this little thing here. So, right here, I got my iPhone plugged in. It's got the OneDrive and all that. But what we want to do is, here, I'm going to select the new, when I add them right here, it doesn't say OneDrive. How did I get to do that? Okay, so let's go down here to settings, just regular old settings, find a setting, go to backup, backup and sync your settings. Right here, OneDrive folder syncing, manage sync settings, let these scan up, see pictures right there. 7.6 ready to back up, whatever, because I did a shit ton of them last night, so now I'm way over the limit. Just turn that off and save the changes and let it resync, let it do whatever it needs to do. And I don't know. This is kind of new. I don't know what the fuck that is. So let's fucking just cancel that. Anyways, so this is what you do, and then add the items. It's going to import them to my pictures and import, and yeah, that's it. Now they're actually on my computer and not, uh, in my thing pictures. So they're all on there. Yay. Anyways, so that's how you do it. I hope y'all enjoy and I hope it helps. Take care.